Welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more updates. Today we are exploring an amazing topic of Photoshop, how to create clean Instagram reel cover design in Photoshop. Open Photoshop and click new file. Set canvas size to 1080 by 1080. Press create, fill background using paint basket tool. Choose a dark color, select rectangle tool, then draw a large rectangle at bottom. Change rectangle color slightly lighter, lower opacity to 80%. Now select type tool, type main text inside rectangle, increase font size or Control plus T to resize the text size. Change text color to white, select a character panel, increase letter spacing slightly, add small subtle text below, align text center using move tool, then add small icon using